How to let people save your videos on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to let people save your videos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before you open the TikTok app, please make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update the TikTok app. Now just tap on it to open the TikTok application. And make sure that you are on your profile page. So if you are from the home page, just click on this button at the bottom right corner, and that will lead you to the profile page right here. After that, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner, and here we can access our settings and privacy. Let's just click on that. And under the account section right here, let's click on privacy. So let's scroll down a bit and let's focus on the safety section right here and click on downloads. So if this is turned off, people won't have the ability to save your video. So to let people save your videos on TikTok, let's just click on this toggle button right here and make it turn green. Now you are allowing other people to download your videos and share the downloads to other platforms. So again, if this setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared, but it cannot be saved by people on TikTok directly. So if you want people to save your videos on TikTok, make sure that this is turned on and that it is in color green, which tells that people can save your videos on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.